5 years, unless you like don't drop any classes. I need to cancel my ChatGPT subscription and switch over to Claude.
Yeah, Claude is better.
And I feel like Anthropic is probably the better company.
Campus Loop Road, ongoing police activity.
I think that's Kennesaw Campus. And I think that's
Yeah.
interesting.
Oh, I'm live now. NuDox wait.
Have people been like checking in and stuff?
Yeah, there's one guy who was like, I low-key cannot understand the project idea, but this is super awesome. Good luck.
Yeah. No. I think I like the idea of streaming, but I feel like it needs to be like what's it like? You need more following before it's like more relevant, because you need the interaction. I feel like otherwise it's just like
I think like I'm just streaming to stream the work sessions, because like do you know who George Hotz is? Let me hold on. He's actually very talented. Let me hacker and entrepreneur. Let's see. Software engineer, known for developing iOS jailbreaks, reverse engineering the PlayStation 3, and for subsequent lawsuit brought him against Sony. He worked on his from September 2015 till November 2025. He worked on his vehicle automation machine learning company, Comma AI. Okay. Yeah, he did stuff with like self-driving cars, but there's like live streams of him programming from like a while ago just on the internet.
Mm-hmm.
Like I think that would be cool.
Yeah.
Just to have on the internet.
It would be cool to be like, yeah, so this is when we went back to
I think I have the picture of the library at Georgia Tech.
Mm-hmm.
Like the like where we slept.
Yeah, I think you sent it to me because I used that on one of the slides for like our story. I do think that's really cool. I took pictures. I remember thinking that I took a picture because it was like really cool, but I don't think I took the picture.
Dude, that was fun. It was brutal though.
Yeah. I'm switching to Anthropic right now.
No. You're gonna have Claude code now?
Yeah. My dad actually bought it for me back like a while ago, the upgraded one. So I've been like using that for honestly haven't really used any of the like coding tools. I usually just use like the web version, and I'm always pretty good at getting good responses.
Like the web chat stuff. Yeah.
And I don't know if it's like I'm good at using it or what, but it doesn't really waste my time.
I've been doing that with Claude. I'll go back and forth from like Claude code and then like Claude code and then set up just the web chat bot.
Mm-hmm. Which one do you think is like which one do you prefer usually? Like how do you decide which one to use?
I mean sometimes it's like there's like it will be like so much easier. Sometimes I'm like, okay, I need to like spearhead this. I can't just like Claude code is really good. It's very addicting. Like it makes you feel like you could just offload everything to it, and that's like kind of bad.
Yeah.
It kind of I think with the Claude code is when like I have a task like the styles I've been doing like most of it was Claude code.
Mm-hmm.
And then like the web, the actual all the authentication, all of the like all of the middleware for the MCP server, all of like the Supabase stuff, like the Svelte project.
Yeah.
That was all I tried to keep it my intuition,
Mm-hmm.
and I would just use the web, like the Claude web version.
Yeah, I definitely prefer, like, because I mean I enjoy thinking about the problems and like talking them out.
Yeah.
And using my solution, even if it would have given me a different one.
Yeah.
Because like, yeah, that's kind of how I felt because I tried using like remember, I forget what it was, but it was like when the IDE first started mixing in like LLMs and stuff. Like I tried using it for like a machine learning problem, and it gave me like a 98% accuracy, but it's simply bullshit. Because it was injecting the test data and then it was validating the test data, and it's like a pattern that you have to like study to understand how not to do it. I forgot what it's called, but yeah. So like it looked really impressive, but if you actually knew what you were doing, you'd be like, oh, this is literally useless. It's garbage. But yeah. And I only use a thinking model.
Oh, which model are you using?
Opus 4.6.
Opus, okay.
And extended thinking is on.
Oh, you're like maxing it out.
I don't think it limits me, right? Because if I have a good plan.
Wait, which one do you have?
I got the pro plan.
Is it the 20 a month? Yeah, you still have a limit. Like here,
I feel like I won't hit it though, because I'm only gonna be asking it
like you can look at my screen.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I think you get weekly usage limits. It resets April 12th, so in 5 days. And then you have you have your session or like your daily.
I honestly like their font a lot.
The terminal.
Like, see this.
Or the web. Yeah.
Also, look at my browser, bro. See, it's full screen. Boom. It's not. Isn't that cool?
Yes, bro. Wait.
It's like a new feature for Vivaldi that they just added.
That's nice. I use Zen, and then like it's the same thing, but it's a sidebar.
That's pretty cool. I just like the full screen. It makes me feel more legit.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm about to implement like the page where it shows you how to like set up the MCP with the different clients. Like it shows you what to add to the config files. And I will probably use the web version of Claude for this.
You use the GraphQL for whatever, because you queried Terminus DB before, right?
Yeah.
Did you use? I forgot. I know you told me. Didn't you use WOQL or did you use GraphQL?
I never used GraphQL. I used the just REST, and then because they have like their JavaScript and Python libraries. I used the JavaScript library, and that was the WOQL. That I never used the GraphQL though.
Okay. One thing that I was thinking about, because like I know TorrentSD has a GraphQL connection, so like there's like a million libraries for just GraphQL. So like you don't even have to use a TorrentSD one, and because they don't support one for Rust, that's why I was like, I think that I'm gonna try it. Hopefully it works. But yeah, we'll see though.
Robin and Doug Shore Entrepreneurship and Innovation Center.
I'm curious to see if they let me use Linux at Microsoft.
Dude. Oh, yeah, they're probably gonna give you a work computer, right?
Yeah, I can't imagine that they would let me not do that.
Are you like fully remote?
Yeah.
Are you still gonna go into the office?
If I'm allowed to, I probably will. Yeah, but I don't know if I'm gonna be allowed to. Like yeah.
You gonna travel when you're remote?
I might. I think that'd be pretty cool.
Yeah.
Probably not a bunch at the beginning, but I'll see how it goes. And if I get the urge to travel, I will just travel. So. I honestly think the way to go is using GraphQL, just because I can just create some queries and like we can share the queries across any client, right? So they can do the same in Go. All we have to do is like use a library for that language and then just copy and paste the queries there. But we don't have to like worry about that right now. I'm gonna just work on that.
Funding, I need a new laptop because this thing is like overheating.
What? A MacBook overheating?
I think it's because I have OBS open.
Oh,
but
you should try putting it up like this. I do it more for like the hand position. I can give you that.
Yeah.
This one,
Nice.
This is too high, but that honestly should help like air circulation as well. Sometimes it's tricky to get a balance, but
okay.
I honestly really like how it feels.
Yeah.
No.
No, I like it. Yeah. Okay. Feel the bottom.
Oh yeah.
It just gets really hot. I don't know. I just need a. This thing has like 8 gigabytes of RAM. It's like an M1 chip.
I forget how much mine. I think mine has 32. This is like gaming now.
Yeah.
And it's kind of unfortunate because like Razer doesn't have much good Linux support. So like I can't control the fan speeds. I want to be able to change this back color, but I think it's only green. I think they like physically limited it to only green. That'd be so cool if they did it.
How long have you had that laptop?
Since like 2022. So it's been good. It's been better performance than my desktop, which I play games on. I forget. Did you try Helix?
Helix, I did.
What did you think?
I had been using NeoVim for longer, and I just stayed on it.
Yeah, that's fair.
I don't know. Miles doesn't like NeoVim.
Yeah.
But
I like NeoVim. I think I do prefer Helix, honestly, but
yeah. Helix is simpler.
But I do know if I'm switching to a work computer, and if I'm using like an IDE, they're probably not going to have Helix support. I honestly don't know what it's going to be like with me working, like how my setup's going to be. Because yeah, I know they usually, from what I saw, they give you like a few days to like just set up your stuff.
Yeah.
Which is kind of valid. But yeah, I don't know.
I mean, assuming Microsoft, they'll probably make you use Windows.
Mm-hmm.
Like.
Yeah, I honestly don't know though, cause like a lot of their stuff, like a lot of their stuff, like Azure resources are like based on Linux.
Oh
so,
yeah.
You know, they support Linux on all this stuff. I mean, they have to. But yeah.
Yeah.
Were you ever into like gaming? Did you ever play games?
I used to, yeah.
What kind?
I would play. I played Fortnite when it was popular. I played Rocket League for a long time.
Yeah.
Beam NG Drive.
Okay.
You know that game?
It's the one with like the physics simulation?
Like the super realistic.
Yeah.
That game was fun for me. I don't know why.
I probably would have liked that. I've never played it though.
Dude, it was fun, and you could get mods. So people would make their own mods, and like they would make cars from, because Beam NG, like you couldn't have cars from real life in
Yeah, because like licensing.
Yeah, but the mods were like real cars, so you could install. I had so many mods on that game. There's so many fun cars to drive around. One of my favorites was like somebody, because certain mods are just not well made, but some of them they're like made perfectly. Like they are perfect with the physics in the game. Like it's, I don't know how accurate the game is to real life, but if it feels like more accurate than any game has ever been.
I'm gonna, once I'm like have a lot of money, I'm getting like a full-on racing sim, bro.
Yeah, dude.
I low-key want to make my own, but I think I'm gonna buy the parts and like fabricate like the rig, and have like fans and like big bass speakers to simulate like.
You gotta get the gravity, like the.
Is that the one where like it feels like you're moving?
Yeah.
That would be so cool.
I don't know how expensive those are though.
I feel like I feel like like even if I had like infinite money, I would probably do it, but I don't know. I'd be like, yeah. But also I don't want it to be like hard to like get in. Like I just want to be able to like sit down and do a quick lap and do something else.
Yeah. Okay.
My laptop charged pretty quickly. Or actually, no, we were in there for a while, but it went from nothing to fully charged really fast.
Wow.
Like, but the thing is it doesn't last that long. So I almost wonder if.
How long is your battery life usually? Like, if you're on full battery.
Max like 3 hours, dude. I'm not gonna lie.
Wow.
Which is not that much.
Dude, mine lasts like a while.
I know. Like, I wish it's kind of like because with Windows it was just as bad. Honestly, Windows might have been worse, but like. I feel like I should be able to like, it shouldn't be this much. Like, but it does have like a whole graphics card and stuff. The 3070 Ti.
Yeah. Yeah. When I had a 3070 Ti and like an i9, the battery life was never good.
Yeah.
The battery life on this has been pretty good. you leave comments in a JSON file?
No, but you can use a JSON C file and leave comments. Or there's a variation where you can. So yes, you can, but no, you can't. Like you just have to make sure you're using the right type. Like VS Code, their JSON file supports it. So it depends on like why are you trying to leave comments on it?
Well, I've never, I just think it would be useful.
Yeah.
Leaving, but I've never been at a point where I've had to do that.
You can. I'm pretty sure if you just use the right extension, like any tool that reads it should be able to recognize, oh, this is a specific variation of JSON with comments, so I'm gonna allow that. Yeah, that person from like the thingy never responded. Remember?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That seemed like a very short notice. Like that was.
Yeah.
It was like, oh, this is happening, and then you'll get flown out tomorrow. It's like, I don't know about that.
honestly like the lighting in here. It makes me feel more focused.
This is a nice space, yeah. Wow, my fan is on. I've never heard the fan on before.
Oh wow.